Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn in Sarasota. And today we find ourselves at a brand new Italian restaurant that's opened up here in Sarasota, right on Tamiami Trail, North Tamiami. So join Kerry and I as we try Mymamma Italian restaurant. Hope you enjoy it. So we're here right about the golden hour, and this is Tamiami Trail, which actually goes to Miami. And here we go. We're here just as the place is opened up. We might be the first ones to show up here tonight, but it is open, so come on and join us. So here we are, a beautiful place. We are the first ones to come in, and Kerry's all set there. What a beautiful set of decorations they have here. They're actually from Italy, so it's the Italian specialties and Italian ways, of course. Yeah, I didn't ask them from northern or southern. I have to really ask that. But you could come in here, and we're going to show you. They have products that you could buy as well. Look at this. From Italy. They have their own sauces. Paola has her own sauce that she makes. Look at this, mushrooms. Really beautiful. Amazing. I just love the decorations in here. I love how it's so casual and yet it's really nice. At the same time, has an elegance to it, especially at night with these lights. Look at that. So we have a very comprehensive menu here, and you got chicken, you got meatballs, all the Italian favorites. They do specials every day. Today, chicken special. I love this other side of the menu. Look at that. Really pretty. I think they've done a really good job with this. So we are going to do mozzarella and carrozza. We really love that. We're going to do a Caesar salad, and Kerry's going to do spaghetti and meatballs. I'm going to do chicken parmesan with a little bit of spaghetti, pasta, maybe spaghetti, right? So really good. Oh, and I have, they have Coca-Cola here too. And a nice fancy glass. Look at that. Probably the fanciest glass I've had a Coca-Cola in ever, I would probably say. Check that out. Really good. So we have Daniel bringing all the first items of the delicacies here. Mozzarella and carrozza. Look at that. We got some bread. And this is our server, Daniel. How you doing tonight?
Doing good. Wonderful.
We appreciate it. We're Southern Italian.
Of course. But actually, here is the meatballs.
Yeah?
They look good.
Yeah, they are meatballs.
I'm thinking it's the mozzarella and carrozza that's going to come.
Yeah, they are coming.
See, it goes to show how good my vision is these days. What do you think?
The meatballs are good.
Oh, I gotta sample that. Look at that. Amazing. Time for another eye check for me, I guess, right? I like them both. Look at that. That's one of the prettiest salads I've had in a while. Look at this. It's really well plated. I'm not much for plating, in terms of being an expert on plating, but I really like the presentation, how that looks. And it tastes fantastic, too. So the bread comes with this little, it's kind of like how can I describe it? It's like almost like a 1,000-ounce dressing, but better than that. And it is really, really good. They make their own bread here, too. Really, really amazing. Look at this, how good this is. Amazing. Portion sizes here are really good too, so we know we're going to be bringing some of this home. It's going to be lunch or dinner for the next day. But that's a good thing because so many restaurants today have cut back on their portions and you end up bringing nothing home. So this is a really good place, very fairly priced, and can't wait to show you our main courses. So I was telling you about my Italian friends growing up. I'm an adopted Italian. All my friends growing up were Italian. Can't name them all because there's so many of them. But I don't think I went to really an Italian restaurant until I was really about 15, 16. I think the only one that I went to was Monty's once or twice because none of my Italian friends, which was all my friends, would go to a restaurant, would go to an Italian restaurant because they needed to have, the grandmothers cook the sauce or their uncles or somebody. So, grew up with some tough kids, but they would never. Torture for them would be giving them a spoon and having them eat ragu sauce out of a jar. That would be the ultimate torture in the universe for
The famous.
Oh man, the famous mozzarella and carrozza.
Yes. Should I put it here in the middle?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, a lot better, right?
Stunning. Oh my god.
Of course.
Thank you.
Wow, looks amazing. Good enough to die for. Look at that. Nice cooked. Mozzarella on top with sauce. Oh, amazing. I'm going to run down Tamiami Trail tonight. Worried about gaining like 3 or 4 pounds just tonight. Look at that. I'll give you an inside view of it here. It is nice and well done. Nice and cooked on the outside. It's tender on the inside. And it's actually got ham in there too. So this is a new twist. I've never had mozzarella carosa with the ham. I've heard of it. But really, really amazing. So many good dishes here to choose from. Kerry's really enjoying herself over there. Look at that. She's quieter than usual. What's your favorite thing so far?
Meatballs are really good.
You got those meatballs all cut up there. Look at that. And I like this. It came with this lid. It's the pot with the sauce. Look at that, how good that sauce looks. Oh my God. Incredible. So this is like almost Kerry and I's anniversary dinner. Our anniversary is coming up on April 13th, and it'll be 34 years. Can you believe it? When I got married, I had hair, and it was actually brown with red highlights. Look what this woman's done to me. Oh my God. Happy anniversary. Any words from the peanut gallery?
Yeah, you're an idiot.
Yeah, happy anniversary to you too. So you've heard me talk about southern Italy, southern cooking, and how is it different than, I'm gonna put a little thing up over here, how is it different basically from the north and the southern side of Italy, which is from Naples down to Sicily, let's just say. They're kind of more influenced by, it's more seafood, it's probably kind of more of a relaxed environment. The north, I think it's more influenced by some of the countries up toward the north of Italy, but definitely more seafood, more tomatoes on the southern side of Italy. Given the choice, that I grew up with all people from the southern part of Italy, so I guess that's what I'm used to. But if anyone's out there from the north, if I'm wrong on this, let me know. But so you come to this restaurant, it is definitely more southern Italian style than northern Italian style. But it's fabulous. It's really good. Look at this. Oh, wow.
Yes, sir.
Really nice. We got the chicken. Kerry got more meatballs. Daniel, can you get her more bread?
You want some more bread?
Please, yeah. Look at that. I got the pasta with the oil and the garlic, right? And that's the chicken. Look at it. Amazing. And Kerry's happy. She's got her spaghetti and meatballs. More spaghetti and meatballs. Somehow he got an appetizer and, hey, we got a free appetizer. You wanted the mozzarella and carosa. They gave you meatballs instead. So you got a free appetizer out of it.
Meatballs are good.
They are good. Those will be coming home too. Wow, love it. This is really good. I've never had pasta like this before. Spaghetti. It's kind of like thicker, like a rope pasta. I don't know what it's called, but it has like a nice taste to it, and you can really taste it without the sauce. It's like I said, just got the like the garlic and oil. Really good. Chicken is a little different. I would have gotten probably more the Parmesan. This is like a different style chicken, but there's Kerry's too with the meatballs and stuff. Really, really good though. This is very different. You can really come here. What a big difference from something like this, and nothing against Olive Garden or any places like that, but this is real Italian food. So we had a really great experience here. As a result, between doing the video and getting to know everybody here, they're bringing us out a free cannoli. So we're gonna really enjoy that cannoli, a little pre-anniversary cannoli for Kerry and I. So I'm gonna show you that. Can't wait to try it. Sounds amazing. Like I say, for me, the standout here was the pasta, the homemade pasta. Everything was really good, but my favorite of all was the homemade pasta. And the fact that I didn't have it with the sauce, oh my God, it was just, I could really taste the egg or whatever that was in there. Spectacular. So you come here, I would totally recommend the pasta, first and foremost, and anything else, because everything here is really good. But for me, the pasta was number one, right? So check it out. You're going to see a good cannoli now. So we got the cannoli. Wow, and tiramisu. Look at that. Thank you, Daniel.
Of course.
That's
enjoy,
amazing.
guys.
Look at that.
This is from the house for you guys.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy everything.
Thank
Enjoy.
you, Daniel. We appreciate you.
Of course.
There. See, they found that was our anniversary, right? We think he heard me say it. And
Is
for
this
doing the video,
tiramisu?
that's tiramisu.
What is tiramisu?
Look at that.
Chocolate.
Oh my God, look at this homemade cannoli.
This isn't bad.
Incredible. Kerry's liking the tiramisu, but I'm enjoying the cannoli. Remember that old Star Wars joke? Obi-Wan cannoli, right? What do you get? What is Darth Darth Vader get when he goes into a Italian bakery? Obi-Wan cannoli. Oh my God, I made Kerry laugh with that joke. Hey everyone, so thank you for watching our video, and special thanks to Paola and her amazing crew there at the new restaurant, Mymamma. It was absolutely spectacular. I can't say enough great things about the pasta. Service was amazing, and I really recommend you go over there. You know, it's a very challenging area in Tamiami Trail in the sense that it's in that twilight zone of areas where I think that area was very popular up until about the 70s and 80s. And then when all the big hotels opened up, a lot of the things along there, you know, there's a Burger King that's out of business and a lot of places that are vacant. But this restaurant is the real deal. Southern Italian cooking, highly recommend it. I kind of grew up on it. And I think everybody who's Italian or not would really enjoy it. And again, it's homegrown and it's really people from Italy. And nothing wrong with Olive Garden, but this is the real deal. This is real Italian food and real Italian character, and a lot of love goes into this food. So I highly recommend you go over there and tell them Alan Kerry said hi. Until next time, see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great evening, and ciao.